So today I'm going to show you how to make sure that your CSV data in Excel is separated correctly. So right now I have everything divided by commas here in this column. And really, instead of having a comma, it should go into the next column. So it should say phone stand under A, PLA under B, and 120 under C. But right now it's all landing within column A. So I need to make sure that the Excel sheet understands that a comma means it should jump to the next column. How do I do that? Well, it's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to show you how very quickly. So we're going to select the column that everything is in. You can only do this one column at a time, which shouldn't be hard because everything is probably already in one column, as it shouldn't be. So we've got our column A selected, and you may be in your Home tab. You're going to want to go to Data. So I'm going to hit my Data tab. And then I'm going to go to Text to Columns under Data. So with Text to Columns selected, you will see this pop up here. And I'm going to keep it as delimited. That will be appropriate for our comma separator here. And then hit Next. And here you'll see the delimiters listed. This is the things that will decide whether it'll go to a new column or not. And as you can see right now, tab is selected. I don't have any tabs here, so I don't need to have tab selected. What I need is comma, like I said. You may have semicolons separating yours or spaces separating yours. So if that's the case, you should select whatever is appropriate for your sheet. However, I have comma, so I'm going to select that. And now if I hit Next, I'll get to this screen. This is just a data formatting option. I don't want to change the formatting or get too advanced here. I just want to separate things out into the right columns, so I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to keep it at general and hit finish. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. It worked. So now we have our information separated the way it should. Those commas have been deleted and are now recognized as new columns. So that's it. Now I would enter my headings in by just right-clicking on my top row here and inserting a new row, and I could write out my headings, and it's formatted that easily and quickly. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, give me a like. Check out my playlist in Excel for more like this, and thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.